So it's that time of year to clean out your garden beds. So I started cleaning out this one. What I do is I just cut things down. Notice like some things are starting to still come up, like the globe thistle. It likes to come up even though it is dying with the other branches that grew all this year. New ones are coming up. Same with the coneflowers, but I'll cut down to the green on some of it just to leave a little green in here, and then in the spring I can clean that up. Some people will just come in with loppers and just cut it up. I use my little shears because I'm going to leave the green on for now. So I just do a little at a time. A little more time consuming, but it's how I like to do it. Just like that, this area is cleaned up. So just like that, my garden is cleaned up. I left my chives, my thyme, and my oregano. Those are herbs. They're still doing okay, but everything else is cleaned out of this garden. Now I got a bunch more gardens to go. Everything that I cut out of my garden, I take over to the compost pile. I have 2 different compost piles. I'll show them to you. So here's one of my compost piles, and that's pretty close to the house. So anything that from the house when we cut our vegetables or coffee grounds and stuff goes in here. And then eventually I transfer it out back with my tractor, and I'll take you out to see my larger compost pile. This is my larger compost pile. You'll see on the sides I've been adding stuff and digging out from the middle to use the soil. Eventually when I get my tractor back here, I will turn it all over. The other side is usually where I put all the newer stuff that needs to be composted. So you see this side has more newer stuff on it. But then my tractor will come over, stir it all up, and it will be ready to use some of it next spring. And I mowed my leaves just like that. This is what the garden looks like now. And yes, I said mow my leaves. The grass didn't really need mowing, but I mow the leaves in, mulches it into the grass, and helps the grass stay nice and good. So I mowed over there as well. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.